Hello, this is your money lady here. Just wanted to give you an update, and we'll proceed um with some of the stock that be introducing to you for the summer. Um, as you know, with summer, people go away. Um, by the end of May, people sell their stocks and go away for the summer. So people either go on vacations or go abroad, and then during that time while they are away, they are still buying because when people are selling, then stock become cheaper, you get discount. So therefore, people buying them. And then when fall come, which is around mid-August or the end of August, then then you have this uh, when they start picking up around fall, beginning of September, then things start going to pick up because the holidays will be coming in right after July 4th. Then you're going to see all the holidays coming up with Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's Eve. So all four holidays will be starting right after July 4th, which will be next week. So as you know, by when you walk in the store, even right now, we like in the end of June, it's like 2 more days of the end of June, you still see Christmas stuff is already out. Thanksgiving and Halloween, most of the stuff already out, so people can start buying. So you want to take advantage of the discount that is happening right now because there's a lot of sales going on the stock. So you do want to make sure that you are buying right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over some of the stock that I want to introduce to you guys, which is um SpaceX. As I mentioned to you before, SpaceX, I did not buy any yet because when an IPO first come out, you don't buy right away because some people already bought some of the stocks before the IPO come out, so they are cashing out because they buy it at cheap, and then now you buying it at the higher price, so they getting your money. So you don't want to buy it when the IPO first come out. You have to wait at least 2 to 3 months when things cool off, all the hypes and all the energy that's been putting onto it cool off. So that way you could buy it at a discounted rate where when it shoot up again, that way you can make your money. Okay, next one is going to be MU. MU has been going up. Whenever it shoot down, it shoot down. But when it goes up, it goes up. So before the earning, I had bought few, and I saw that thing shoot up on Thursday when the earning came out. It was like huge. And then on Friday, it kind of cool off a bit. So I don't know Monday if it's gonna pick up again because with MU it's unpredictable, so you don't know. I'm thinking it may shoot to 1,500. If it shoot to 1,500, I'm selling because I don't know how far the stock can go. Maybe I'll be missing out, but I'm thinking at some point it's gonna cool off. So the next one is AMD. AMD is a good stock, good solid stock, but you do want to make sure that it you buy it at a discounted rate. So when it pick up again, that way you'll be able to make some money. Next one is the PL and then the ASTS. Those two companies, they are the one that's supporting SpaceX. So they pretty much deal with you do want to do your research. Research anything I said. Don't just buy just when people suggesting stuff, do your research. Google it. So pretty much it's they support it. So anything that deal with storage because you need memory to store stuff. So they deal with that, and also anything that deal with data. So you need somewhere to put it. So they pretty much manage. So you want to make sure you do your research before you buy. I did buy a few of these stocks. And then Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab, I forgot to put it in there, but that's one that you want to make sure that you start buying because right now it's cheap. During summertime, I do see they went really down. The next one is Quantum. computing. That's an ETF, so you do want to do your research before you buy. VUG, ETF, you do your research before you buy. I bought a few of them during summertime, and I'm going to keep on buying until fall. And then NVIDIA, I bought few because I do see that it was shooting down. So it's keep on shooting down. So you do want to make sure that you don't miss the bottom, because some of these stocks, it's like as soon as you buy them, it goes more low and low and low and low. And I'm like, where is the bottom? So you don't know what the bottom is. So you do want to start buying them, buy them in increments, like buy some this week, the following weeks. If it goes even lower, you buy more, and then the following week you buy more. So you buy it in increments instead of just buying a whole bulk at the same time. Okay, so the next one is the two IPOs that's going to come out soon, which is the Anthropic and the OpenAI. So you do want to do your research on that. Make sure you don't buy any of these stocks when the IPO come out. If you can buy them before the IPO come out, then that's fine. But wait until it cool off. Wait until 2 to 3 months from now before you buy into them. Okay, we're gonna move to herb and tea. Herb and tea, my favorite. Healing stuff. Okay, herb and tea. So this one is the nettle tea. Nettle tea is pretty much good for anybody that suffer allergies. This is a natural antihistamine to relieve seasonal allergies. It provides gentle anti-inflammatory relief for joint pain. Anything that's against pain, I am with it. Any medicine that's against pain, yes, I am against pain. I could put a t-shirt say I'm against pain. So, and then also with men, if you suffer from prostate issues, enlarged prostate, this tea is really good for you. You can use the leaves, you can eat the leaves, you can drink the tea, but it's the root of the leaves. So when you pull the roots, when you pull out the plants, you want to cut off the roots, wash them, scrub them, and then you're going to chop them into pieces, and then you're going to stick them in the oven and let it dry. And then you're going to put them in your blender, and then you grind it. Then you're going to boil some water, and then you pour a teaspoon or two in there. If you want to add honey, you can. It's best that you do drink your medicine plain because it best works that way. Or you can put a pinch of salt, whichever addition that's best for you. But plain is super good. So what it does, the roots helps you to pee less. If I want to be blunt, that's what it's for. It makes you pee less. It makes you it control the flow of your urinary. So what you want to do is every morning before you eat anything, just make a cup of nettle root tea, drink it. So that way when you start your day, you don't have to go make so many trips. So that's the good part about nettle tea. So it's good for urinary, for any man that has prostate issues. The whole plant is good, but you do want to make sure that you use, for men with enlarged prostate, you do want to make sure you use the roots. Okay, next one is lemon balm tea. Lemon balm tea is super good. It's good for stress and sleep, and also it helps with digestion. So you always want to have tea in your home, like use container into your patio, or either if you have a home, you can use the backyard. Create some tea, plant some tea, so that way you have medicine there all the time available to you at your disposal. That costs you really a penny to the dollar. And then the next one, I'm introducing you to a new plant. This plant I saw it in my house, and it's in between other plants, and I didn't know what it was, but it looks like it's something that you can use. But I've been doing research on it, but I could not find anything. The leaves is thick. If you see that plant in your home, protect it, preserve it, and take care of it. So the plant called the plant called broadleaf thyme. So you could say I'm trying to still remember the name of the plant. It's called broadleaf thyme. So this is the leaves. When you pull it out of the plant, this is what the leaves look like. It called Spanish thyme, Cuban oregano. So you can do your research on it. Go to Google and do your research on it. It's super good. It smells so good. It when you take a leaves and you rub it against your thumb, it smells like lemony, spicy, oregano, thyme. You have all that mixture. It's like lemon balm flavor. Well, lemon balm flavor plus like lemongrass. Yeah, if you ever smell lemongrass, that's the smell that you have with this. So I'm gonna make myself some tea. So I find out what the plant was all about. So right now, the plant is good for respiratory support. So if you have any respiratory issues, it helps cleanse your respiratory issues, digestive issues. It helps boost your immune system. It helps with pain relief. It helps with blood pressure management. Um, and the leaves is very thick and it's a little hairy inside the leaves. So if you see it and you touch it, it's so thick it cannot be a medicine. That's what I say when I saw it. So its flavor is strong, spicy, and also it has like this lemon flavor and oregano and thyme. If you ever use thyme, it has a mixture of all these kind of flavor to it. So you can make tea with it. You can add honey, you can add salt, or you can just a pinch of salt or just a little tiny bit of honey in there. So the reason that you want to add honey instead of sugar into your tea is because honey has this, it helps with sore throat and also it helps with, uh, if you have any minor wound, it helps heal it. And also it helps with allergies because as you know, with the bees, they get all these um, pollinator from the flowers. So you get all these flavors from the flowers. So it pretty much help boost your immune system. So you don't want to keep a honey bottle by in your home instead of a bag of sugar. So that way you can keep your immune system strong with honey. So I'm gonna leave it as that, and then I will be speaking to you guys at a later date. Bye.